Hey everyone, the Pixus Arena Tablet is a notable competitor in its field because of its potent combination of innovation and style. This gadget raises the bar for image quality because of its cutting-edge features and superb in-cell display. With support for GPS, call navigation, and mobile 4G internet, the Pixus Arena has all the capabilities you need for everyday life. Its sleek, contemporary appearance is among its most noticeable features. The tablet's metal casing blends durability and style, providing protection from small drops and shocks while also acting as a passive cooling mechanism. This guarantees that even when using the tablet vigorously, it stays cool. It is very portable and comfortable for extended usage because of its thin profile and lightweight. Surrounded by thin bezels, the tablet's 11-inch display takes up most of the front surface. When compared to competitors who frequently choose for smaller screens and inferior Full HD quality, its 2K resolution and in-cell technology provide a better viewing experience. With 350 nits of brightness, the display outperforms competitors and guarantees visibility even in direct sunlight. Convenience is increased with an automatic brightness adjustment option, particularly for younger users. The screen is perfect for multitasking, gaming, and drawing because it supports up to 10 simultaneous points of multi-touch. The 8-core Unisoc Tiger T616 processor, with a 20% performance increase over its predecessor, the T606, this chipset can handle demanding tasks like running several apps in contemporary games. With its remarkable frame rates in well-known titles like PUBG Mobile, Mobile Legends Bang Bang, and Call of Duty Mobile on medium settings, the Mali G57 GPU guarantees fluid 3D graphics performance. Along with 128 or 256 gigs of internal storage that can be expanded to 1 terabyte via micro SD, the tablet has 8 gigs of RAM. This guarantees that there is enough room for entertainment, files, and apps. Running on stock Android 13, Pixus Arena provides a stable, quick, and clean user experience free of needless clutter. Secure access to all Google services is ensured by official Google certification, and customized functionality is offered by the firmware. Another highlight is the audio, which is produced by strong box speakers that produce loud, clear sound. A sturdy 7,500 milliamp-hour battery powers the tablet, allowing for all-day use for work, gaming, and watching videos. Minimal downtime for recharging is ensured via fast charging capabilities at 18 watt. Pixus Arena's Type-C connector, which supports OTG for peripherals and other attachments, further increases its adaptability. A microfiber-lined eco-leather cover is one of the optional accessories that improves the device's protection and usefulness, while also serving as a hands-free stand. The purpose of this tablet is to satisfy customers who want a high-end experience without paying a high price. The Pixus Arena is excellent in every way, from its sturdy metal construction and ergonomic shape to its strong hardware and eye-catching display. This device offers great value for money and is a strong contender in its category, whether it is used for work, education, or leisure. If this review resonated with you, let us know in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.